Hello everyone, I Amit Rai welcome you all, and today we will start discussion on introduction to Python exercises of class 7 Sultan publication book. In our previous video, as we have seen about introduction to Python, okay, in which what are the topics we have covered, what is Python, the two modes of Python, features of Python, where Python is used nowadays that we have seen, and a small program we have did using print function, how to open our program, how to exit from the application. Okay, that all we have seen. Now today we will discuss exercises. Okay, so first of all, answer the following questions are there. The first question is, what is Python language? Here the answer is, Python is a general purpose programming language, general purpose high level and flexible programming language. It can be used to build any kind of program. Okay, in any kind of program. So what are these kinds of program? I'm writing here. If you want to note it down, you can. Okay, so first of all, desktop apps, web apps, okay, websites. Other than that, in data analysis, okay, software testing, and the most important thing, AI based applications. Okay, AI apps and robotics. Is this clear? So these all are the area where you can use Python nowadays. Okay, now coming to our next question, list down important features of Python language. So the answer is, some of the important features are given here. It is simple, easy to learn, syntaxes are there, it emphasizes readability, compatible with major platform and operating system. As I've explained in my previous video, platform independent. Okay, high level, object oriented. If you want to write more, you can write there also about case sensitive. Okay, there are many more features. So for class 7th, you can write it down. Third question is, list down the important places where Python is used nowadays. So what are those important places? As we have discussed in our previous video, desktop and web application development you can do, in software testing, in data analysis, scripting language, artificial intelligence applications, robotics. So these are the area where you can use Python programming language. Okay, now the next question is, explain ideally. What is ideally? The full form of the ideally is, it is an integrated development learning environment. Okay, integrated development learning environment. This is the full form that comes with Python built in. What does it means? When you install Python, it means ideally comes with that installation. Okay, now ideally allow us to create, what it allows, to create your program, to edit, to run, and to debug your Python program. Okay, so all of these features are included in this ideally. Is this clear to you all? Now the next question is, Python provide two different ways to work with. I have explained in my previous video about two different modes of Python. What are those modes? The first one is interactive, second one is script mode. And what do we call it? Interactive mode को हम क्या कहते हैं और script mode को और क्या कहते हैं? Let us see. Interactive mode, it is also known as Python shell window, and script mode, it is also known as Python editor's window. Okay, so what is the difference between these two? In interactive mode, you cannot save your program. Okay, one line, single line code you can write, and when you press enter key, you will see your result in next line. Is that clear? In script mode, you can save your program, you can write multiple line of codes, and to execute your program, you have to press F5 key, or from run menu, you have to press run module. Okay, clear? Now the question answer is complete. Let us see fill in the blanks. So the first one is Guido van Rossum created Python in 1991. Who is the creator of Python? The name is Guido van Rossum in the year 1991. Python is also known as general purpose programming language as it can be used to build any kind of program. Okay, so the second answer is general purpose. Third one, Python editor's window opens up the script mode. And what is the significance of this script mode? That you can save, comma, write multiple line of code. Okay, so these all are the features of script mode. Now next one, here print function. Print is a function which we use to display the content on the screen. Now whenever we use print, this bracket we have to use. Okay, that displays that print is a function, and whenever we will write it, we will use it in our program, we will write this p in small letters. Okay, because if you will write it in capital letter, then it will be treated as different thing. Okay, not as print function, it will not give you output. Clear? Next one, Python programs are saved using the .py or .pyw extension. Okay, so these are the two. You can use any one, .py or .pyw extension. So what is this extension? Extension होता क्या है? Extension means this pyw shows which program the file will use to open it. Okay, .py means Python file, .doc means document file, .xls means Excel file. Okay, spreadsheet. So this py explains which kind of program will be used to open this file. Okay, now next one, for execution the shortcut key that we have to use is F5 function key. The Python shell window executes one command at a time. Shell window, which is also known as interactive. Interactive mode. Okay. Next one. The method of writing command using print function is known as printing. Okay. Now coming to true false. Now here the first one, for exiting Python click on close option. That is true or false. Achha, when we use close option, then it will close the program that you are writing, the file you are writing. It will not close the application. Okay, so to exit the Python we have to click on we have to choose exit option. Okay, not close option. So this one is false. Second, output of a program is displayed in the Python shell window. That is true. Press F6 function key for execution of a program. What is the shortcut key? Which function key we will use? F5. Okay, so that one is false. Now next, Python does not allow us to change the location of the file at the time of saving. That is also false, because you can save it in any location. Clear? For saving the Python file, we use the extension .py or .pyw. That is true, as we have already seen this question. We have already completed this question in fill in the blanks. Okay, print command is the same as print in Python. So do you think both of them are same? So the difference is here the first alphabet P is capital and here it is small. Small one is correct and this one is not correct because Python is a case sensitive programming language. So this one is false. Next, multiple lines of code are written in script mode. That is true. Script mode, it is also known as which mode? Writer's window. Okay. This one, these three symbols means the command prompt. As I have explained in previous video, this is known as command prompt. So this one is true. Coming to next, tick the correct option. Ideally stands for. This question is given in question answer also. Okay. Integrated development learning environment. This one is true. Okay. For exiting Python, which option we will choose? File menu, then exit option. This one is true. Type exit in front of command prompt. Okay, when we type exit, that will also exit from the application, but the difference is here E is written in capital, so that one is false. File menu, then close option. This one will close only the program, not application, so this one is also false. So the first one is true. Okay. Next, Python is used for web programming development, desktop application development, data analysis, all of the above. All of the above is the correct answer. Okay. Python is also known as general purpose programming language, English language, all purpose, new language. So the first one is general purpose programming language. Next, Python language is dash like Python snake. Now in my previous video I have told you the answer. One of them is given here, that is flexible. Okay. Next question is, Python language is easy to understand? Yes. Object oriented? Yes. High level? Yes. So the answer here is all of the above. Python editor's window is useful for writing multiple line of program. And this editor window is also known as which window? Script mode. Okay. The method of writing commands using print function is known as printing. For saving the Python file, the extension used is only .py or .pyw or both. Okay. So this one is correct, .py or .pyw. Anyone you can use. The last question is, execution of code can be done by. How can we execute our code? By pressing F5 in shell window, because F5 is the shortcut key. But we will not use this in shell window. We cannot use this in shell window. In editor's mode, in editor's window, we can use this F5. Clear? Editor's window, file menu, run module. Now file menu is used to create a new program, save a program, open your program, exit from the application, close your program, but it is not used to run your program. Okay, so this one is also wrong. In editor's window, run and then run module. That is the correct one. Okay, editor's window, run menu and then run module. Okay, clear? So these all are the exercises that we have discussed today. Okay, some lab exercises are left in which it is given to print a few sentences in Python script mode about importance of exercise, global warming, the internet age. So anyone you can choose and you can write the program. Now let us try to print any one of them. So now we will open our Python program. Search here about the IDLE. Now you have to open this one. Okay. Now the window that opens up, this one is known as interactive mode. Here one line code you can write and in next line you will get the output. What we have to do, we have to open editor's window, then file, click on new file. Here we have to write a program, okay, to display the output on output screen. Which function we will use? Print function. So I'm using this one, print, and in bracket I'm writing the name of the topic, that is importance of exercise. Okay, again in next line, print, one importance I am writing here. Okay, Achha, why I am using this double quotation? Because I am inputting a string. If I have to display numeric value, then I will not use this double quotation. For mental and physical fitness. Okay, now let me save it from file, then go to save. Look here, the Windows dialog box opens up. Here let me save it in a new file. Okay, where is the desktop? Let me save it in documents. Here right click, new folder, python program is the name of the folder. Open this one. I'm writing the file fitness. Fitness is the name of my file. Okay, now click on save. File is saved. How I will get to know this file is saved in that location? So when I run it now, it will show me the location. How to run it? Click on run and then run module, or I can directly press F5. So selecting the run module. Now this one, this line, C user friends document python program, and this one fitness.py is the name of the file. This is the folder that I have created, and this is the output. Okay, so with this output, what we have done, we have completed machine room exercise, the first one. The second one given here about create a folder and save the file in the folder, that I have shown you. Now let me open that file and again I will execute it. Okay, so to open it, click on file, go to open, then I have to go to the place where I have saved in documents python program, select the file and then click on open. This file opens up. Okay, now go to run, then run module. Again you will see the same output. Clear? So rest all you can do it by yourself. About global warming, the internet age, why junk food is bad, why books are better than internet. So these are the machine room exercise. You have to write some lines about it. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can contact me or you can leave a comment. Thank you and Jai Hind.